Yo, what is going on YouTube? This video today is going to be showing you the best Shein promo codes in 2026. This is going to save you a bunch of money. And yeah, I've tried all the promo codes that I could find on Google and also watching other YouTube videos. And the ones that I'm going to show you are by far the very best Shein discount codes. So, if you hear me coughing and spluttering and stuff, guys, I'm sick at the minute, so apologies for that. But yeah, make sure you like this video and subscribe, because I am also doing a huge Shein gift card giveaway. And to enter, you simply have to like and subscribe. But anyway, let's get into it and show you these Shein promo codes. You need to use your mobile phone internet browser and head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So type it exactly like this, Crash Coupons. It's going to bring you to this website here, and they have hundreds of pages, guys, so you don't want to be scrolling through. I recommend just using the search bar, searching for Shein. You can see there are 3 verified Shein coupon codes. Hundreds of people have used it, thousands even. You can get $100 off, so there's a few different codes, but this is the Shein coupon code for $100. And takes a few minutes to get your code. I've already done this, so it does limit 1 code per user, so I won't be able to do it again, but I can still just talk you through what you need to do. So you can see your code is hidden. Like I said, it does limit 1 of these codes per person, so you need to click on this button there, and it's going to show you a new screen. It's going to tell you what you need to do. I had to complete a couple of free tasks. Super easy. It took about 5 minutes, guys. Just follow the instructions and your code will be revealed. So, yeah, your full code, and you can redeem it in the basket. And that is going to basically get $100 off. So these are the best Shein promo codes. Super awesome and working in 2026. Go to Crash Coupons. Just find the Shein promo codes page, guys. Select your code and enjoy. If you need any help, let me know. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.